I went to bed so late last night and got up for like 8. I was like,
I don't know if I can do that.
and then I went back to bed till about 9:30 and probably didn't get out of bed till about 10:15, and now it's almost 11. So that's where we are. Why I was up so late last night is because I was writing down all my ideas and all my schedules and stuff that I want to do. Today I have 3 videos I want to film, and then I wrote down everything that I also want to do in this vlog. Keeps me like doing things and stuff instead of just like doing nothing. Hi!
Hi there.
Oh, wow! How does my hair look from the back?
Fun.
Okay, good. I did a how I style my damaged hair video.
Nice.
Yeah. This is what we did the other day.
Yep.
There we go. Let's see the back. Your technique for that is fucking weird. How you dip your Oreos in your milk.
See the bubbles? That's what you want. And then you just...
Ow. So now what I'm gonna do is just edit the video that I just had and hopefully get it done this afternoon and have it uploaded by this afternoon.
3 hours later.
Okay, so I ended up actually finishing my edit way before I thought I was going to. And I think because I didn't add in a lot of things like I normally do with my videos. So now I'm just trying to upload it. But I think I mentioned this before in some other videos. Trying to upload things in the country takes forever. It's so slow. So then I was just trying to work on my thumbnail, which I'm really bad at making thumbnails.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
I'm not very good. Like, this doesn't look like a good thumbnail. So, I'm gonna work on my thumbnail. I think I got it. My video's not uploaded, my thumbnail's all set, so I'm gonna go and make that video public. Oh my god. It's the one that doesn't even have the camera on it. Oh my god, I remember this feeling huge. I used to trick people and tell them I had an iPhone Slim. I kind of want to go clean my car. Actually, I need to go clean my car. I'm gonna go do that. Where are we going? Are we going outside? Are we going to the shed?
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Hey! Hey, you sit down. I don't know where you think you're going, Brinley. Because we're not going to the place that you think we're going to. You want to come up here? Well, that's the whole car ride. That's it.
You know how I feel. Why would you say that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation.
No, that's it. That's the whole car ride. I don't know why you're still in here. Huh? What if I brushed you? I don't know how I'm supposed to show it. My car is literally so clean. And then this is the only part I still have to do. This part's really bad. She hasn't been inside this car before, so she's like, loves it. She just wants to stay. What are you doing? You like my car? Yeah, you know what's going on, don't you? god, it's stuck on 2014. October 2014. Oh, photos? I only have 6. Oh. Oh my god, literally the size difference. Like, stop. Oh. Tumblr is second life. Tumblr is my life. These are straight up from Tumblr. I don't know why I wrote them down in here. Do I have any music on here? Oh my god, I do. Oh my god, there's lyrics on here? Don't tell me I put these on. It's so quiet. Hi. No, no thank you. No thank you. Oh my god, the old YouTube app. Grace and Chance Crazy is the last thing I searched. Oh, I wish I had stuff on here. Would have been so good. Do you guys want to play a game?
I'm doing homework.
You guys are doing homework?
Yes. Maddie, we're still in school.
I'm bored. I went out for a drive with Brinley.
You went for a drive?
Yeah, it's actually really nice outside. No
No,
more
I went
jacket.
for a run this morning around the house.
Around the house? You went for a run around the house.
You look like a crackhead, bro.
You went for a run around the house?
Just around. I'm not going down the road.
Wait, you did it outside? Oh my god, I thought you went inside. I was like, how did we not hear you?
It's disgusting. It's a stinker.
Ew, I'm leaving.